Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download episodes on Crunchyroll using an iPhone. Let's get started. First, here is important thing to know. Downloading episodes is only available with a Crunchyroll premium membership. If you are on the free plan, the download option will not appear. Let's get started. First, open the Crunchyroll app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Next, tap the search bar icon or browse the home screen to find the anime you want to download. Tap on the anime title to open the source page. Now select the episode you want to download. Look for the download arrow icon next to the episode. It usually points downward. Tap the download icon. The download will start automatically. You will see a progress circle while it downloads. Make sure your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi has enough storage space. Once the download is finished, the icon will change, showing the episodes each saved. To find the downloads episode, tap My List or Downloads in the app, select the episode, tap Play to watch offline. And that's it. That's how to download episodes on Crunchyroll using an iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.